Hello lovelies, welcome back to F4C Curls TV. Today I am going to be showing you how I achieved these gorgeous curls right here and the pop of this very beautiful color I have right here on my hair. Now the interesting thing is that the color is washable. It's not something that it's going to be permanent on my hair. You all know I don't like to dye my hair. I try as much as possible to keep my hair as healthy as I can, and I know the effect of putting chemicals on my hair, so I won't do something that will hurt my hair journey in any way. So this is washable, just so you know. Now guys, if you want to know how I achieve this, just stay tuned and see the video to the end. Meanwhile, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the red button right below. So I started off with my hair that I already twisted off camera, but I am going to be showing you how I achieved the upward twist by using this example right here. So I kind of left one out so I can actually show you what I've been doing off camera. I just try to apply my shea butter 5-in-1 leave-in cream to that little tiny section you see right there, and then I place my hands the way you see. The secret here is the way you place your hands, guys. When I'm doing the left side, I used my right fingers to braid. When I'm doing the left side, I use my right fingers to braid. So just watch, maybe you understand what I'm doing, but I plan to still do a very detailed tutorial on this. So just keep watching, just try to see how my fingers are moving around. Maybe you can get it. But trust me guys, you have to do this like over and over to be able to get it right. So that's how I did it, and I finally twisted the tips of my hair right up to the end. You see, that's how it came out. After that, I had to do like a twist out on top. So I started off by spraying water on my hair. After spraying, I just create like a straight part. And then here I am going to be experimenting 2 products, shea butter 5-in-1 leave-in cream and Miss Jessie's honey curls. These 2 products I posted on my page the other day that I'm gonna be trying it. So let's watch to see the end result of this. So I take just a tiny bit, you don't need to take a lot, and apply it. So after applying the 2 products, I just try to do it by twisting in sections. I try to use like tiny sections to twist. So please keep watching to see exactly what I'm doing. You can see I'm trying to twirl around, grab, twirl around, grab kind of thing. And that's what I'm going to be doing repeatedly throughout my hair. At the end, just make sure you twirl like this, guys. It's very important to have it twirled. You want to have that popping curls at the end, then you have to twirl after twisting. So that's the secret behind it. So you can see that's how the twist came out. And finally I twisted all my hair because I was avoiding the video was gonna be too long, so I did part of it off camera. So I'm going to be showing you what I did with that tiny little section. Just went ahead, apply my shea butter 5-in-1 leave-in cream, and then my Miss Jessie's honey curls. These two products are wonderful, guys. You should try them. So keep watching to see the end of the video. That was like the last piece of twist that I had. After twisting the last one, I'll be showing you what I used to do the ColourPop on my hair. So you can see my curls were so beautiful. So I'll be using this wax. I purchased it from Amazon. I'll be putting the link in the description box below. You can also buy it yourself. It says that it's washable instantly, and I tried it on a tiny section of my hair and washed it, and it came out like instantly. That's why I went ahead and tried it. So I kind of applied it not on every strand of my hair, because I wanted like this kind of a mixture of gold and black look. So I just selected a few strands and I applied to the tips, and that's all. And the stuff smells amazing. It didn't leave my hair crunchy at all. It came out really well the way I thought it would. So just watch to see the end results. At this point I was almost done applying to the tips of my hair, my twist. So I just allow it dry overnight. After this, I just allow it dry overnight, and then the next day I just try to take down the twist. So this was the next day. You see my hair was completely dry and looking very full and thick, you know. I could as well rock it like this for a while before taking it down, but I just decided to like untwist it. So I first of all apply my Epic Grow, just to have a pop of shine on my hair. That's the hair growth oil. It's really great. So you can see like the first one I took out, you see how curly. The products did good. A combination of these two gave me like really bouncy curls. Really bouncy, guys. It was so amazing, the results I had. You can see this is some fussy hair giving me these curls. All of you asking me all the time, what do you do to your hair to have curls? This is what I do. It's so simple. It's super simple. This is all you do to have the curls on your hair. I personally think that curls on the hair gives like this kind of cute look on natural hair. I really love creating curls on my hair. So guys, you see the end results. My curls were popping, the color was popping, everything was just pop. So I was so excited with the results. So guys, let me know what you think about the video. Bye bye.